Yeah. The net. Shawty Fishin. Yeah. No one's dark in this game, poet dark in this shame. 2x2, nigga, know it's clock on me lane. Moses Park with the cane, ain't that glue, nigga. Lot of go, lot of tribe, lot of boats, lot of ties. Blue lagoon, nigga, got a rope, got a guy, get a coke, get a guy. We monster, nigga. They gon' run, they gon' do.
So for me, I'd say one of the tips for beginner dancers, I guess there's two things. One thing is freestyling is very helpful with exploring your own body, and freestyling with other people is something that like really pushes you in your own dance ability. So if you really are ambitious about dancing, I always recommend freestyling. Another thing is people always say go to workshops, and that's very true. But not only that, after you go to a workshop, you should keep practicing whatever workshop pieces you do, because otherwise if you just go to a bunch of workshops and never touch the pieces again, you're just sampling everything. You're not getting the best out of everything. So if for those beginner dancers who especially want to go really deep into dance, I recommend those two things.
Yeah,
that's not everyone, obviously.
Definitely, like also working on fundamentals is a huge deal too. Like a lot of people sometimes overlook fundamentals because we're given choreography all the time, but fundamentals are really useful. Just kind of really exploring your body way more. Like if you're doing house or like something like where b-boying is focusing more on footwork, it gives you more awareness with your footwork. If it's like, and it's just a lot of times we kind of forget about our legs because we're doing choreography and we focus so much on the upper body, and so it gets lost. But just working on the fundamentals and getting your whole body together as a dancer, like that's really important. And also just fourth, like always just find a way to like build confidence in yourself and just like self-esteem, because if you're constantly comparing yourself to others and feeling like you're below other people, that's not what the reality is. The reality is that everyone has their own journey in growing as a dancer. So yeah, both of us all came from, just started on foundations as well. If you're watching this, you might just be on the foundations team right now and you're thinking, oh wow, like how could I like be on a comp team one day or something. We all started at the same place, where we didn't have any experience. So
Trust in yourself.
Go, Captain!